Riddhi Veg Finance presenting Ashapuri Gold Ornament Limited FPO 2021. This company is basically into the gold business. Gold business never will drag down your investment at any cost. Just please have a look around this IPO FPO details and you will know it what is exactly Ashapuri gold ornament. Ashapuri gold ornament, basically this is a reckoned as one of the prominent manufacturer and a wholesaler of gold jewelry. It has been 20 years of remarkable journey where they are into jewelry into metro cities, even the part of urban location, and unrivaled quality of the jewelry promises for their manufacturing expertise. Having a large inventory, design, high quality of services has made possible leagues top jewelry suppliers and committed. They are providing the best experience to every Indian and international jewelers. Basically their jewelry is into B2B jewelry hub level, and their client are, you can see under their client name, they are the biggest in India. They provide Ashapuri gold ornament, provide prestigious. Their client is Malabara Gold, Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Zaveri Limited, and Titan is their biggest brand in the market. Ashapuri gold and ornament FPO detail. This IPO will be opening date on 3rd March 2021. IPO closing date is on 8th March 2021. The type of fixed FPO issue price. The face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO pricing is 81 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is 1600 per lot, minimum and maximum one lot you can subscribe it, and the amount of one lot is 1,29,600. Ashapuri gold and ornament is basically Ahmedabad based, Gujarat based company, where you can see their details of Ashapuri gold ornament, address detail on their website itself. Who don't love the gold? Basically most of the trading is happening into the gold at international level, and every woman or the emotions of Indian has expressed by gold on the occasion of festival, on occasion of marriage, on occasion of birth or anything. So this is a kind of investment which you can find in a long term. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Their promoters are Sir Emal Soni, Mr. Dinesh Soni, and Jitendra Soni are the promoter of Ashapuri Gold Ornament FPO. Their details you can find on the BSE Bombay Stock Exchange website detail, where under the IPO FPO details you can find out. Dear investor, market risk on own decision. This is your decision where you wanted to invest it your valuable money. So please keep study before you will invest into the market. This is SME FPO, as well as this FPO has you can subscribe via BSE also, but the thing is that this is for SMEs only maximum, because the size of investment comes into the pictures is around more than ₹1 lakh, which is basically targeting SMEs. Thank you for subscribing Riddhi Veg Finance. Next time we will present another company, and we will evaluate another company with their marketing strategy about that company, about the detail. So keep watch us and keep subscribe us our Vridhivesh Finance YouTube channel, so you can get the reality about the IPOs and in details. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. We are waiting all kinds of comments from your end. We will see more IPOs in future and more viewers as well as more subscribers. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great week.